This stroganoff, perfect recipe for your Christmas. In a container, start by adding 395 grams of condensed milk. Next, add 400 grams of heavy cream. Let's mix all of this very well. Then add the pulp of 1 passion fruit. Optional unflavored gelatin. Add 2 packets of bis or waffle biscuits. Now just transfer everything to a plastic cup. On top, simply finish with passion fruit pulp. The amount is up to you. Then let's refrigerate and wait until it sets. And now folks, just enjoy it. And look how incredible this dessert turns out. Make it at your home. I'm sure everyone will love it. It'll be a hit at your Christmas dinner. I hope you enjoyed this. A big hug to you all. See you next time, and thanks.